Alright, welcome back. Today we are going to check out and see how Miss Quilla is doing. And I do have an update about her health. So today I decided to clean out her soil. And it was quite the adventure. Now, this is my first time cleaning out the soil, so I've never cleaned out soil for a plant. Unfortunately, one of her stem wasn't very strong with one of her leaves, so it kind of just said forget it. This one, however, is still standing. Its roots are very strong and it's doing a very good job. So we are going to keep on working with her, and the good news is at least we know how her health is going and that she's doing a good job, because we do want a healthy plant. And moving the soil around is actually a good thing because it allows the plant to breathe a lot. I got plant dirt on my hands. Okay. And also by checking the soil, I was looking to make sure that there was no little weird critters running around or nothing, because she did have to spend her winter out in the outside. So I want to make sure that my baby is okay. And I will, as soon as I get a chance, be visiting a gardener to get some help and advice on how to better care for her. And what is this? Oh, that's nothing. Okay. Whew, thought that was something for a minute. Like, what is that? So, first of all, we're going to check her soil. She doesn't feel like she needs any water, but I'm still gonna give her a little bit. So, oh, that's empty. Today we're gonna just probably give her just a little bit of water. Let me make sure I got this hole big enough. All right. Okay. So she's got her water. And we are going to, what was that? Okay. Weird. We are going to let her rest because, like I said, she had a long day today, between me cleaning out her soil and making sure that she was all right. And I think that was a little too much water I gave her because she's leaking. There she goes, right there. Leak, leak, leak. Maybe I gave her too much water. She's probably leaking because, like I said, I did clean out her soil today, so that could be the reason. This does not usually happen after one bottle of water. So we're gonna let her rest. And tomorrow we will be changing out her towel. Her other towel is getting cleaned, so we gotta wait for it to get clean. And you are doing such a good job, young lady. Yes, you are. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if y'all can see this, but her leaves have gotten greener. Like, I'm going to try to see if I can get like a picture of her during the daytime so you can actually really get a good look at her leaves, but they are like super green. Even like the underneath part. Look at that. Look at that. She is green. So yeah, we're going to definitely work on that. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Say goodnight, Miss Quilla.